In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about using undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. This function is a handy feature for managing and organizing your small business finances, especially when you're collecting multiple payments that need to be deposited together. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you're comfortable with making these deposits effectively. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you'll find the New button. Clicking on it opens a world of possibilities for managing your financial data, but today, we're focusing on bank deposits. From the options that appear, select Bank Deposit. This option is crucial because it helps you record these group transactions accurately, maintaining clear and organized financial records. Now, you need to input the details of the deposit. It's important to provide a clear and accurate record of where exactly these funds will be deposited. This includes specifying the bank account, ensuring that your records align seamlessly with your actual banking activities. Paying attention here helps prevent future reconciliation issues by making sure everything matches up perfectly between QuickBooks and your real-world accounts. Here's where things start to come together. QuickBooks will now display a list of transactions that have been categorized within the Undeposited Funds account. This account essentially acts as a temporary holding area for incoming payments until you're ready to deposit them. It's a great way to track payments individually until you're set to make a bank deposit that combines them. Take a moment to review this list. Simply check the boxes next to the undeposited funds you want to include in your current deposit. This gives you the flexibility to choose exactly which payments you're grouping together for this specific deposit. Additionally, if there are any additional funds that need to be part of this deposit but weren't previously recorded as undeposited, you can manually input those here. This ensures that every penny is accounted for and accurately represented in your deposit. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to finalize the process. Simply click Save and Close to complete your bank deposit. You'll see just how easy it is to keep your accounts organized with QuickBooks, enhancing your ability to manage your business finances effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated how to use undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be able to maintain clearer records and track your finances with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and happy financial organizing.